Even though it is raining, I'm out to get the new treasure. Let's see what is that. Okay. Doggy here. Let's see what is inside. Hi, well. See, just one character each bar. No shift key, no backspace. Okay, yeah. But still, so like fixable. Oh yeah, Signet. Okay, case is not good condition, but still it's okay. But I like this guy. Huh? Hello. Hi. Yeah, beautiful, but very dirty. Okay, let's see. Today I want to show this special typewriter. Yeah, I clean a lot, but still it's not the perfect condition, but much better, right? Yes, the Royal Signet. The serial number, you can see this, right? E and then 2505, right? And that means it was manufactured 1932. The Great Depression of America were between 1929 to 1939, but two worst years of the Great Depression were 1932 and then 1933. So this is the one of the evidence for that history. The Noel decided to make typewriter the basic one, because at that time it's a very hard time. So they made this one. So as you see here, no shift key, right? No shift key. No backspace, right? Yeah. And then no margin release or no tap function. No shift key means each key has just one character. That means this typewriter, just one character. Each bar has just one character. Let's look at. See? Yeah. But it's not the lowercase, it's the uppercase. That means a capital one, right? So yeah, this is the evidence of the worst year of the Great Depression. It was manufactured in 1932. Also, normally the folding typewriter has no this side knob, right? Exactly the same this one, no knob. Also, no paper bag, no paper supporter. See, very simple, very basic. So at that time, portable typewriter average sale price was when I checked the website is around $60. But this one 29.50. So like just half price. So the dealer didn't like this. Didn't like to sell this one because the profit is not big. So that's why the Noel stopped the manufacturing this typewriter next year, means 1933. So just 2 years it was manufactured. Still we can see these letters not perfect, not clear, but function everything right now work perfect. I recorrected the draw code, and then I put the new ribbon, and then I already tested everything working good. So let's see.